In this experiment we're going to have a look at how to measure the speed of sound in a solid, and in this setup we have a piece of string. It's connected to a vibrating device and powered by a signal generator. Let's have a go and see what we need to do to set this experiment up and get it to work. Let's have a go at seeing if we can measure the speed of sound. I have a piece of string here. It's held taut, one end by a weight, which is about 100 grams. I have a vibration generator at the far end, which is basically a loudspeaker. And I have this bridge and knife edge holding the wave, so we can measure very accurately. Let's turn on the frequency generator and we will see where this is vibrating best. I've already set this up and had a go to try and work out where it's vibrating best. I'm just going to adjust it to get the best amplitude, which is there. I've got going up, down to the middle, down back up there. So this is one wavelength. So the distance from this bridge to the pulley is the distance of one wave. So if we take my measure, and that is 125. Taking my calculator, then we've got 1.25 meters times the frequency, which there is 29.71, and we know that velocity is frequency times wavelength, and that's going to give us a speed here, a velocity of the wave of 37.1375 meters per second. Let's see if we can get another standing wave to see if we can get this working accurately. Switch on. I'm going to double the wavelength to about 60 Hertz. But there we have now 1, 2, 3, 4 waves. So the wave here is going up, down, so that represents one wavelength to this point. If we can measure that distance then, and this time I'll have to do it with it switched on, that's coming out at about 66 centimeters. So 66 centimeters is going to be 0.66 of a meter times our frequency, which is 60.23, which is going to give us an answer of 39.7518 meters per second. So that gives us an idea of roughly the speed of the sound in a solid, which is this piece of string, and that's about 40 meters per second. There we are, a simple experiment to measure the speed of sound in a solid.